Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by collecting the essentials and taking a safe snapshot. This prevents losing state. First, confirm the operating system and which shell you use because fixes differ by shell. Once done, open a second terminal session and record a log with script session. Log or start transcript. This captures errors. Next, inspect your shell config files /bashrc /, zshrc or your PowerShell profile so you can revert changes. Make small, reversible edits. Avoid sweeping deletions that remove custom paths or aliases. You now perform focused diagnosis to find the root cause. Start the shell in verbose or no profile mode, bash X or PowerShell no profile so you see startup actions. Once running, inspect environment variables like path with echo $path and list permissions with LSL to catch broken links or wrong owners. If you suspect configs, move them aside, mv /, bashrc / bashrc, back. Then launch a fresh shell to see if the issue disappears. This narrows whether the fault is system-wide, user-specific, or a single. You finish by applying repairs and verifying behavior step by step. Restore a minimal config and add backlines one at a time, testing after each change to catch the exact offender. If system binaries seem corrupted, reinstall or update the shell and terminal via apt, brew, or choco. Make sure dependencies match. Finally, if problems persist, consult the session. Log you recorded. Use trace on Linux or process monitor on Windows to trace system calls. If nothing works, revert to the backup configs and seek targeted help with logs attached.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.